classes from Dr. Rakesh Baluni since 2 months, and I feel his way of teaching is very different. And apart from other yoga teachers I've already trained from previously, this is one of the finest techniques I've ever seen, and I feel this is a very good platform for people who want to change their lifestyle through doing yoga. And plus, sir also gives very good acupressure techniques, and which has actually changed everything in my life. And just felt a very big positive attitude from this yoga training sessions which I got from sir. So I feel all of the people who want to change their lifestyle, they can join Om Shanti Yoga classes, because this is not just yoga. This is something very different and not exactly which is like the other teachers teach only yoga. This is something which actually can transform your life. And plus, I have also got a lot of knowledge from sir in every aspect, whatever I want. So basically, I wish them good luck, and I feel this was the best training I've ever got.
I'm Usha Vasan. I had a back problem. I had a severe lower back ache. Then after that, I had a sciatica problem. I showed myself to many doctors. Then I came to know about Dr. Rakesh Baloni, that he does acupressure plus yoga. He teaches from the yoga. Then I consulted him, and I started doing his exercises. And I must say that my back has been 90% cured, and my sciatica is much better. It is 70% better. He has a technique of his own which nobody else has. He teaches you and he helps you to do the asanas, which is very good.
And I live in Sector 50, Noida. I'm a very keen golf player. I got to know about Dr. Rakesh Baluni through my golfer friend, because I mentioned that I have this back pain, and then I have joint pain also. They call it this arthritis. So it's not that I have been doing exercises for quite some time. I have been a very active person, walking and exercises. I couldn't concentrate on my own. So Dr. Rakesh Baluni came as my help, and then I have been doing exercises, all asanas with him for the past 3-4 months. So I feel there's a drastic change in me. There's a lot of sense of well-being, and then I feel that my joints have been strengthened, and I feel more active, and psychologically also I feel very happy. And my game has also improved. Yesterday I played, and I think these exercises have helped me. That's why I could play well. And he uses like all the asanas I couldn't do on my own, so he helps me to do this, and he knows all other therapies also. So I'm doing everything like diligently. I hope that in future I want to feel more better. I want to be 100% okay.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Atul Sharma from Noida. I have started yoga for the past 3 months from Guru Rakesh, and it's been a pleasure learning yoga from him since all these 3 months. And I had problems regarding digestion, gas, and a long problem of sinusitis. And I realized that in all these 3 months, they've been really taken good care of. And जितनी symptomatic problem मुझे digestion को लेकर के पहले होती थी, उसकी frequency काफ़ी कम हो गई है. And जो breathing exercises हमने करी हैं, उससे मेरे sinusitis को भी काफ़ी फर्क पड़ा है. I feel in the coming more months, जैसे जैसे सर अपनी योगा को मेरे को knowledge देंगे, I'll be able to get rid of my problems. And talking about Rakesh ji, I think he is by far one of the very passionate teachers I've seen. And he is so committed to his work, on giving all the proper lessons to your student. Also, he keeps on mixing different kind of asanas on different days and occasions, and also he gives you acupressure on certain days. And I think overall the entire regime that is made is wonderful, and it does make you feel better and realize. And after the day I do my yoga, the very same day I can feel the difference and be quite light by myself and happy, and it feels as if I'm trouble free. So hopefully this thing will keep on continuing, and gradually I'll be actually free of any kind of ailments. I'm quite hopeful about that. And with Sir's company, I think we would be definitely going ahead in this. Thank you to Om Shanti Yoga for giving me this opportunity to learn yoga.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सुनीता रुस्तगी है। मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, प्रेजेंटली लिविंग इन दार एस सलाम, तंजानिया। पिछले काफ़ी दिनों से मेरी तबीयत नहीं ठीक चल रही थी, तो मैंने सोचा कि मुझे नेचुरल तरीके से हील होना है, और इन द प्रोसेस आई फाउंड डॉक्टर राकेश बालूनी जी, और उन्होंने मुझे नेचुरोपैथी और योगा के माध्यम से बिल्कुल काफ़ी ठीक कर दिया है। मेरा थायराइड बिल्कुल क्योर हो गया है। 5 महीने से मैं दवाई नहीं खा रही हूँ। पहले से मेरे एनर्जी लेवल्स बहुत बेटर हैं। उनकी एबल, नॉलेजेबल और पेशेंट गाइडेंस में मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है, एंड मैं उनको अपनी सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कांता डोगरा है। मैं एयरफोर्स से रिटायर्ड एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर की वाइफ हूँ, और मैं जलवायु हार्ट सेक्टर 25 में रहती हूँ, और आई एम 78 ईयर्स ओल्ड। मैं आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी लेज़ी, सुस्त रहती थी, सब कुछ काम करने में मन नहीं करता था, और कुछ भी नहीं करता था करने को। कई ट्रीटमेंट भी करवाए। मेरे को सर्वाइकल की उसकी प्रॉब्लम थी, बड़े चक्कर आते थे, बेड से उठा नहीं जाता था, और कुछ काम नहीं करती थी। फिर डॉक्टर राकेश का किसी ने हमको सजेस्ट करा कि ही इज़ गुड डॉक्टर, एंड सो मैं फिर इनसे मैंने ट्रीटमेंट ली, और मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। अब मैं 3 मंथ से ये ट्रीटमेंट ले रही हूँ, और जहाँ की मैं पहले सीढ़ियों में चढ़ना उतना मुश्किल होता था, अब मैं इजीली चढ़ सकती हूँ। उसके बाद मैं एक बार तो मैं बहुत बीमार हो गई, और मेरे को नीचे जाने के लिए कोई कहे स्ट्रेचर लाओ, कोई कुछ, बट आई हैव सो मच करेज कि मैं सीढ़ियाँ उतर के नीचे चली गई एंड हॉस्पिटल पहुँच गई, एंड आई स्टेड देयर फॉर 2 days and came back. But now again I am taking this treatment. I am feeling very, very nice, and he is very pleasant person, a very nice doctor.
Hello everybody, I am Group Captain Mahesh Dogra. I retired from the Air Force after serving for 40 years. I joined Air Force in 1960 and saw operations against Pakistan 1965, 1971, and the last operation which I saw before my retirement was Kargil War, that is 1990 started and end of 90 it ended. Then I shifted after my retirement of 40 years to Noida, and since then I have been staying in Noida for 20 years. My wife, she's a very old diabetic patient. She has a problem, and then she became a student of Dr. Rakesh Baloni, and after that continuous, when she is doing it for the 6-8 months, she found a marked improvement in her health, plus she was able to reduce her medicines also. And since I was also having problems that about my knees, about walking, and knees, when I showed it to the orthopedic, and he advised that you are heading for knee replacement, which I was very worried about it. And I discussed this problem with Dr. Rakesh Baloni, and he started giving me a lesson. Since that, for the last 3-4 months, I have been having yoga classes under his guidance, and I find my knees have improved, my walking speed has increased, my snoring at night has disappeared, and my stamina has improved. And even when I go to Uttarakhand, where I have some property, I have got no problem roaming about in the hills. I would advise all senior citizens who have retired after this thing, that they should not accept the life as a retirement. Even after retire from your job, you should maintain an active life. And if you really want to keep yourself fit and you want to remain away from the medicines, then I would request you to take yoga lessons for Dr. Rakesh Baloni, who is very understandable. He is expert in this field. He will advise you at every step. As a matter of fact, after you taking yoga classes and you improve your health, he may even reduce the medicine which you have been taking for so long, and you will feel the difference yourself. Dr. Rakesh Baloni is heading Om Yoga, and you should become a part of this